Bangladesh is a small country, but there are many natural beauty here. Do you like to visit? To be honest, I'm visiting lover. When I get time, I try to go new places. Especially our country has a lot of places. For example, Cox's Bazar, St. Martin, Kuakata, Shatgambus Mosque, Sundarban, Khagrasori, Bandarban, Rangamati, Bhinno Jagat, Moynamuthi, and Paharpur. Both are remarkable places in Bangladesh. When I try to contents what is the importance of visiting, especially I try to say about my country, especially to another country's peoples, that time I feel positives. I live in Bangladesh. I'm proud. I live in here. So my question is, guys, which place do you like to visit again and again? You must make a comments.